BluArmor activated.
Today, we're going to show you how to connect your C40 to your phone. Let's get started. Power on the device and enter pairing mode. Press and hold the middle button or dock the device to power it on. When the device powers on for the first time, it will announce the battery level and automatically enter primary phone pairing mode.
BluArmor activated. Battery full. Primary pairing.
It will announce primary pairing. When it enters pairing mode, the blue LED will start blinking rapidly. If the device does not enter pairing mode automatically, indicated by blue LED blinking slowly, press the middle button 3 times to enter primary pairing mode. Step 2. Connect to your phone. Now open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Scan for a new device and look for the name C40 followed by unique device digits. Tap on it to connect. Once the phone is connected successfully, the blue LED will turn solid and you will hear the audio prompt primary connected.
Primary connected.
And that's it. Your C40 is now connected to your phone and ready to use.